Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want advanced email marketing, automations, and even CRM features, ActiveCampaign is a great choice. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you exactly how to integrate Squarespace with ActiveCampaign in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, number one, make sure you open your device, you are fully connected to the internet and all of this. Go and log in all the way to ActiveCampaign. So go use your favorite browser, look for, so for example, ActiveCampaign, log in. And that's it, basically go through the ActiveCampaign here, use your email address and password so you can open your dashboard. Then create a list or tag. Make sure you have a list or tag ready to collect subscribers. Then get your ActiveCampaign API details by going to Settings, Developer, then copy the API link and API key. It's time now to open the Squarespace dashboard by looking for this, go all the way here, use your email address and password to access the dashboard. Then tap on Edit Pages. Tap on Edit, then go to the page you are trying basically to add that code to. For example, we're gonna go to Add Block, then we're gonna go all the way to Code. We're gonna double tap Code. Then basically you can put your code here. I'm talking here about the normal code, but for today we are looking for the code injection. So we have to go, for example, to Home, tap on the Settings, go all the way to Advanced, then inject the code here. And that's it basically. Just add the ActiveCampaign tracking code in the header section, then insert the form on Squarespace. Make sure you save and publish your website after this, and that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.